Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today, well, you know I love my adjectives. So today we're going to make smoked, crispy, whiskey glazed chicken wings. So first thing you got to do is get your chicken wings. I've already taken party wings, cut the tip off, and separated the drum from the flat, the drumette. Next thing we're going to do is add 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. If you add baking soda at this point, you're going to end up with something that none of us want. Baking powder. Goes in easily. Not with a flare, just dump it in there. Yeah. So now we're going to make sure we get everything evenly coated. I have my smoker preheating to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have apple wood in there right now. So really at 25 minutes, any flavored wood is going to do well for you out there, except maybe James wood. Little joke there. Anyway, okay, we got all these coated. Now we're going to take these out to the smoker, get them smoking for about 25 minutes. While that's happening, we're going to make the whiskey glaze. So we got the wings out on the smoker, so in this 25 minutes, we have plenty of time to get our whiskey glaze done. So here is the plan. First of all, we're going to put a tablespoon of canola oil in a saucepan, and we're going to add our garlic. In the recipe down below, all the amounts are there. It says 6 cloves. This might be 10. Then we're going to add our ½ cup of whiskey and let that boil off for about 2 minutes. Then it gets easy. Everything else goes in. What I have here to go in with it is water, pineapple juice, teriyaki, brown sugar, cayenne. Okay, here I have a 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with a 1.5 tablespoons of water. So after everything gets in the pot, it's going to simmer for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add the cornstarch. We'll get it thickened up, and bang, we will be ready for our wings. So I'm going to get that done. The last step I did with that whiskey glaze was I put in the cornstarch slurry and let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until you get it to the right consistency. Now that's off the heat. There is a lid on it to keep it warm. Now we got to finish off these chicken wings. So they just came off the smoker. They smell absolutely delicious. We're going to dredge them in flour and then get them in the fryer. Now remember, they've been sitting on the smoker at 250 degrees for about 25 minutes already, so they're partially cooked. We are going to get them in the fryer, let them go for about 3 minutes just to get them beautiful and crispy, and then we'll get them on our plate and put the glaze on them. Here we go. So what I have here is flour with a healthy pinch of salt and pepper. Get them all covered onto a tray to go into the fryer. Oh, you can really smell that smoke flavor. It is absolutely amazing. All right, we got enough to get our first batch started. That's about all that'll fit in my fryer, so we get them in. Favorite tongs. All right, all the frying's done. So now, put them on a purdy platter. Purdy platter. Then we're gonna get that glaze, and we're gonna drizzle that over our wings. Okay, now we can work on that second level, and we will glaze that level too. And then we got some leftover glaze if people want to dip into it. So, this is the time you take your Facebook picture to show your friends what an awesome cook you are, because the ones on the top just came out of the fryer, so they're hot as All right, so Charlotte's here to give it a try.
Get it with the sauce. Those are good. They need more sauce. I need more sauce.
There you go.
Really good.
So we got a bunch of extra sauce for it. Not everybody likes a ton of sauce, but that left over more for adding. So can you taste the smoke? Mm-hmm. Is it crispy? Mm-hmm. Is it whiskey glazed?
Yeah, I can taste the bourbon in the glaze.
We have hit all of the adjectives. So, hey, if you like what you saw today, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, never miss an episode. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.
Glaze is really good.
Good. There you go.